the position where we would like to prioritize other things. Not, we really think that our relationship basically won't help with our respective focus and priorities. So, napag-usapan naman namin na it's better na lang muna.
Pero bakit mo siya mahal?
Kasi siya talaga yung taong naniniwala sa akin. Dati. Naku, inapayak ko. Yun.
Nasayangan ka na it ended?
Siyempre, pero wala naman din ako magagawa. If it's not good for the both of us, then I'd rather be not in his life for him to be okay.
Ba't parang naiiyak ka, Jen?
Anong parang? May iyak talaga ako.
Siya yung naniwala sa'yo.
Siya. Oo, at saka sobrang bait ng tao. Sobrang, he has a good heart. So, wala talaga akong masasabi masama sa kanya.
Miss mo siya?
Oo naman.
And friends kayo ngayon?
We still talk to each other. Ako, I would like to believe that we are friends.
Pero nagkaroon kayo ng falling out because of the different priorities talaga?
Ako, wala akong falling out. Pero, alam mo yun, parang siguro may certain time na dadating na magiging okay. Mas magiging okay ako. Siguro ngayon, mas mabuti na it's God's way of saying that you have to prioritize other things more than this. So, nandun ako. Sumusunod lang ako sa daloy talaga na kung ano nangyayari sa amin. May mga bagay talaga, diba, pag sinasabi mong hindi talaga para sa'yo, huwag mong ipilit.
How hard was it when you guys were parting ways?
Well, I can't really say we parted ways like totally because we still talk.